Hi there, this is Fossey.
And I'm Mike.
Today we are going to talk about a new release from Horizon Hobby. It's Mojave GROM. I don't know, Mike has built this one right over there. He can talk more about it.
Yeah, so this is the Mojave GROM RTA, stands for Ready to Assemble. It's a kit. It's a very user-friendly kit. I'm not sure how long they anticipate entry-level builders building this, but pretty much everything is already pre-assembled, like the differentials, the shocks. You don't have to build any turnbuckles. It's all, even the servo has the servo horn already aligned where it needs to be aligned. So you don't have to center anything. You really just assemble the chassis and just put everything together. It took me about an hour and a half. I've built hundreds of kits, so that's a little bit faster than most, but I did use my drill. I used that cuts a lot of time. I'm not about to use, they actually give you a very nice tool, 2mm driver in this thing. I want to show that. But yeah, the kit was very straightforward. It is a brushed Mojave GROM. It's the 4-wheel drive kit version. So it's got the clipless body. It's just a basic brushed all-wheel drive GROM. Super solid little car. Yeah, so what comes in the package, it comes with this awesome little ARRMA 2mm driver. It has a little rotating swivel thing on the top, so you could kind of hold it and tighten your screws. But yeah, like I said, the differentials, the shocks, and no turnbuckles cuts the time down like crazy.
Oh, but you are saying in the manual it says they are saying it takes 8 hours.
Yeah, in the manual it says it's going to take about 8 to 10 hours. I don't see how that's even possible. I think even for a new timer building this, doing it by hand, it might take like 3 to 4 at the most. But yeah, this is the RTA kit. It comes with a clear body with the graphics. Down below, while we're talking about this, I'm going to have a time lapse of the build, just to show the process. Went from start to finish, even down to the painting. Now, this vehicle, this kit, honestly, the most time-consuming is the body. The only thing I kind of got a little bit hung up on were the little buttons. The buttons on the body, it's a little confusing where the little spring rods go into. It took me a little while to figure that out, and that's because I've unassembled and reassembled this body a few times already, and that was a little bit confusing. But after sliding it around a few times, finding the spot where to put the little spring, I got to figure it out. But yeah, this is
a complicated part, right?
I feel like that's the only complicated part. But yeah, it's a good little kit. This is perfect for people wanting to start off and build a first-time kit. If you have a kid that's, they're home right now, they have time for the summer. It's not a very complicated kit to put together. This is a great vehicle. It's a great price point too. It's the same price as a ready-to-run Mojave GROM, which is $169.99. But yeah, you get the pleasure of building the vehicle yourself. You get to see the ins and outs. If the vehicle breaks, you know very quickly how to replace that part, what's necessary to replace and what's not necessary to replace. But yeah, it's an awesome little car.
Yeah, basically these are identical. This is just comes in a kit and comes with a motor, ESC, battery, charger, everything. Even I have the charger right here.
Yeah, the manual was really thorough. They did a very good job. One thing they forgot to put, and it's just a little printed paper that they included, was this rear bumper part. Before you assemble it onto the body, you need to make sure that you assemble this little rear tube bumper onto the part that goes onto the body. So it's like that's really step one, and then it goes onto the vehicle and you screw it down on the bottom of the body.
Oh, nice.
So they added that. I painted mine with Tamiya bright gunmetal. I know in the video, all their videos, they're showing Proline cans. I wanted to do something a little bit neutral. It's really a personal preference, whatever you guys want to do. But they give you tons of decal options too. I felt like this is like a good looking option for somebody that we're possibly gonna sell this to. But if you want to customize it further, there's, I believe, like a fluorescent yellow pink. There's a red and white logo and like a USA themed logo, and all the corresponding like trims.
They're all in there?
Yeah. So they're all options. We can grab those and show you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So we got the decals here. USA one. This kind of looks like the stock one a little bit. The fluorescent pink, and this is the kind of like the sunburst one that I chose to go with. And then all the interior area comes with all those decals too. I did assemble the cage and realized that I had to put all the decals on the interior, so I actually left it alone. I only took the little top part off and I put the decals. So keep that in mind before you start assembling the cage. The roll cage that goes in the body is recommended to go ahead and start putting all the decals before you get that all assembled.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but that's pretty much it. It was a very straightforward kit. Great for kids. I feel like it's a step above Legos, and it's not quite as advanced as a pro kit. Obviously, it's something that you have to build diffs, shocks, turnbuckles, all that kind of stuff. You do not have to do that in this kit. Everything's already ready, just ready to pop on. And it will teach somebody a lot, the ins and out of these RC cars.
Yeah, if you want to build it, there's somewhere to start it with.
Yeah, for sure.
And like the manual is very thorough and everything is really good. Mm-hmm. And if you guys need any help, please like watch our video. It's like a little bit time lapse.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So I'm gonna put a time lapse down here from the start to finish, just so you can see. But didn't really get hung up on anywhere. Like I said, it was only that spot on the body. Like a body will take. I'm pretty sure everybody's gonna take a longer time on the body than the chassis.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's kind of like a Tamiya kit. The Tamiya is usually, it's always the body details. Just because the decals, you want them to set perfect. I want them to be perfect. So, it takes a little bit of time, steady hand. And you want to make sure you do it right, because you don't want to have the decal lose its adhesive, So get it done right the first time.
I got it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, please subscribe for more and more videos. We'll be making all the videos on upcoming releases and everything else. Is there something you want to add?
Nope, that's it.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.